Pneumono ultramicroscopic silicobal caniokinesis. Pneumono ultramicroscopic silicobal caniokinesis. You know, this is the largest word of English dictionary and it has 45 letters just in one word. And it means lung diseases. And you know how can I learn it? I just break the words in four pieces. First of all, pneumono ultramicroscopic silicobal caniokinesis. Pneumono ultramicroscopic silicobal caniokinesis, and I practice a lot. As a result, I just learn it. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing very well. And you know, I am taking the 21 days challenge for my gym and increase my study time and my 5 times prayer and reducing my screen time as well. So before we starting the video, please do subscribe if you struggle like me to find the way of life, to find how to improve yourself and makes you confident. Please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to make like these videos, and it also motivates me to prove myself and taking more challenges like this. So my day started at 5:15 a.m. and every daily basis is I go to my niece madrasa for taking her the madrasa, and after that I am walking back to seeing the natural beauty and it refreshes my mind as early of the morning. After that, while I am coming back my room, I taking my ojo for uh, pairing my fajr salah, and after that every day I am trying to reciting the holy quran, and at least 1 hour I'm trying to reciting holy quran with the bangla meaning, and it gives me the aspect of life, the aspect of our thinking and more. And after that I learn coding. You know, I am a CC student of Bangladesh, and as a CC student we have to learn and coding properly. So right now I am learning C++, and today I am learn 3 or 5 topics, how to increase the array element, and how to delete it, and how to reconnection of, and how to increase the element of array, and something else. So after that I am taking 50 grams of chickpeas, and you know the chickpeas has has most of it has fibers and proteins and good fat also, and it gives some calories which is needed for my uh, which is needed for my gym. After that I am also sitting in front of my laptop and I want to try coding, but you know, every day I cannot focus, and I just scrolling in YouTube, and I just saw some videos which is how to improve ourselves, and I can teach, I can learn more from that. And after that I take some exercise when it was 12:30, and after that I am taking my oju for my johor salah, and I am go to the mosque and praying my johor salah, and while I am coming back my room I taking my lunch, which includes 2 pieces of eggs, one mashed potato, and 200 gram dals, and it has well, 40% or 40 or 50% of protein, which is very important for our health, and it has a low carb, and which is very essential for weight loss journey. Then I am taking 30 minutes of rest, and after that I make this video. You can see I am always trying to make the video at 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. After that I upload my videos in different social medias like Facebook, YouTube and TikToks. And after that I am taking my oju for asur salat. And after come back my room, i I just listen a podcast or seeing YouTube videos which teaches me how to develop myself, how to make myself more better and better. And after that, when it's time for my maghrib salah, I taking my ojo for preparing my maghrib salah. After taking my maghrib prayer, I will go to the gym. That's why I cannot go to the mosque for praying my maghrib salah, so I am taking my prayer at my room. While ending my Maghrib Salah, I will go to the gym and I spend 2 hours or 1.5 hours at least in the gym. And I always bear 1 liter of water, which has 5 5 or 6 grams uh, of salt, and it makes my body electrolyte, which is very essential for the gym. After ending my gym, I go to my niece madrasa and taking back her home, and then I taking my uju for my Isha Salah, and after that I taking my shower. And last 2 days I am trying to reduce my screen time also, that's why after 10 p.m. or 10:30 p.m. I cannot pick my phone. I want to try, I cannot pick my phone. That's why I am reading. I'm started reading personal development books, which name is which name is leadership 101. I just bubbling, which name is leadership 101, and it says how important is leadership is. The McDonald's, the largest food company in the world, and it started from the two brothers, but they cannot make this big. Mr. Dick Crook, he will turn this company so much bigger, and he has the leadership quality also, and it teaches how important leadership is in our life. So I am trying to be a leader. So if you listen the video, if you listen the full video, please like, share and comments. Your comments will motivate me, and I will definitely read your comments, and I will reply back. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum everyone.